Hello world, it is I, Jordan Gelber. What is happening? Hey everybody, it's Jordan and welcome back to another epic video. I'm really enjoying making these like daily videos and I've been putting out content every single day since October 1st. So if you are not already following me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook fan page under Jordan Elizabeth Gelber. What else? I'm on TikTok now. I'm trying to TikTok with the cool kids. So I'm also there. Everything's under Jordy Star Baby. If it's Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, on everything else, it's Jordan Elizabeth Gelber. You'll see me because some of you will be watching this on Facebook or YouTube, but please spread the love. I'm trying to be more available as constantly making content, being a content creator. I'm always preaching about other people making content with rarely making any content of my own. So to be a better content creator, let's see how many times I can say that word 3 times fast. Content creator. I have an unboxing that I wanted to do today. So you must be asking yourself, what is with this hair? Yes, this is my grandma bun. I sport this bun when I'm very lazy. And also I'm in my workout attire because I'm gonna work out later. And I'm wearing a vintage Immortals promo tank from 11/11/11 that I got at Comic-Con in 2011. And I'm wearing this tank top because the fact that normally what would be happening is Comic-Con. It's my birthday month and I always celebrate it at Comic-Cons. And in the spirit of Comic-Con, I am wearing my Immortals tank top and I'm gonna be an immortal and work out because all my friends out there who have, succumbed to the quarantine 15 plus, I lost about 20 pounds in quarantine and I was very adamant about making 2020 my bitch, and I kind of did. It was a little difficult at first. That's my little workout corner. It's this big. This is my lovely beam from Exude Fitness. It says escape your shape on it, although the escape your shape's coming off. I do my deadlifts with this. Gotta pop that booty. I'm gonna be 32, don't wanna lose the booty. For the year, I've been in a huge health kick. I wanna change my life. I was starting to feel really lethargic. The quarantine was making me really depressed. I know some of you guys out there have also felt the same way. And I've been very adamantly into my health. So for those that don't know, about 2 years ago, I was very sick. I was very swollen. I was very puffy and swollen. And I had gained approximately like 25 pounds. It was very bad. And I was like sick all the time. I was getting colds. I was like getting colds for 2 weeks every 2 weeks. And I was just feeling like ultimate shit. And I was on set with this great team for this film called When We Dance, the Music Dies, which is coming out soon. You can watch the trailer. I will put a post or a picture or something here. And the lead in that film, my lovely friend Emily Stokes, who has celiac, I was talking to her about all the things that I've been feeling because I was like, oh, you have celiac. I always wanted to think about if I had a gluten allergy. When I was younger, they thought I had a gluten allergy, so I went gluten-free for like a hot minute. Imagine what my life would have been like if we stuck with it. But back then, they had like no gluten-free options. Yeah, so I did a food test and a food sensitivity panel, and it turned out that I am sensitive to gluten, dairy, eggs, and egg white. Yeah, all the fun things. And at the time, I was really heavily trying to lose weight, and I was on Weight Watchers, thanks Mom, and I was literally eating an egg a day. And when I took out eggs, that was like a huge change for me because I went from eating literally eggs every day to no eggs. And now I've been very strict with that this year. It was harder early in quarantine because I was eating a lot of chicken, which I don't normally like to eat chicken or beef that much because like if I can't have dairy, I probably shouldn't be having beef. Not that you're really supposed to have it anyway. And if I can't have eggs, I probably shouldn't be having chicken. So there's that too. And yeah, once I cut those things out, I eat mostly like fish and mostly like vegan food. That's gluten-free vegan food, and my life has completely changed. I feel amazing. I've been working out, I've been sleeping better, I've been feeling hydrated, I've been feeling active. It's great. And another thing I've been into is supplements. So I received this amazing box in the mail. I had to share this with you guys today because I'm in fitness mode. Look at this great box. It's from a company called YouTheory, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ooh, and a mask. I love masks, to try out today. So I'm gonna go through all these amazing products. And I love it. They're in, some of them are pills, some of them are Some of them are capsules, some of them are powders, and this is gonna be awesome because I can mix them in pretty much anything I consume. I feel like a ninja. Every time I wear these, I just feel like a ninja. Ooh, we have collagen powder. Yeah, collagen powder. So collagen powder is great. It's for your skin, hair, and nails. It helps bring I'm not that familiar with collagen, I just know it's good for you. Yeah, so this is 18 amino acids. It replenishes collagen, fights the effects of aging, which is important because I'm getting old. Revitalizes skin, hair, and nails. The collagen powder is designed to help counteract age-related collagen loss, supplying 6,000 milligrams of hydrolyzed collagen per serving. This convenient and easy-to-use product helps replenish essential beauty proteins while delivering powerful health benefits. This formula is enhanced with vitamin C to aid internal collagen production and biotin. Biotin's really good for your hair and nails to support health and beauty factors. So we have this great collagen powder, which is awesome. I could pretty much just scoop it, put it in my yogurt, put it in, which I use coconut yogurt for those that are like, yogurt, you just said you can't have dairy. I use unsweetened, so delicious coconut yogurt, or cashew yogurt. It's really good. It's really thick. It's like eating pudding, and I love pudding. Boom. Yes. Next, we have a Spore Probiotic. I love probiotics. I'm not ashamed to say it. I've had, when I was in high school, I just got very bad stomach problems. I got very depressed, and it was just my whole body broke down. So I've been rebuilding it for a very long time, and one way I started doing that is with probiotics. Probiotics is great. Your gut has flora in it. I'm probably saying all this wrong, but there's probiotics and prebiotics and a whole bunch of stuff. But what's great about probiotics is they really, really help. I love them, especially because the fact that they help kind of balance the levels in your stomach. Sometimes we eat things that aren't good for us. Sometimes our emotions affect our stomach. Sometimes we just are having a sour stomach that day and we need a little bit of regulation. What's great about probiotics, you can take them on a daily basis. They really, really help. I had acidophilus, which is a very popular probiotic that's in a lot of yogurts. That's why people eat a lot of yogurt culture, because they have probiotics in them, which is live, active cultures, which help with your gut times. Sirens. YouTheory Spore Probiotic is a better way to replenish your body's microflora. The Spore Probiotic combination is uniquely designed to survive and thrive. The word spore means seed, and like a seed, each Spore Probiotic is covered by a naturally protective shell that safeguards the cell unit until it reaches intestinal tract. I feel like everything that I needed is in this box, and it's like, whoa, how did you know? Okay, back to the video. So, next we have an Immune Daily Wellness supplement. This is has 150 vegetarian capsules. Basically, it strengthen your body's natural defenses, full spectrum mushrooms, and Wellmune. I don't know what Wellmune is, but I have a feeling we're gonna look into it. All seasons immune support. This is great. Guys, we deplete so much throughout the day and throughout each season and each month that we don't even think about. I know people laugh about supplements like, well, I take vitamins. I take vitamin C when I have a cold. I take vitamin D if I'm inside for too long. I don't know what else to take. I'll take a multivitamin. I've realized in the last couple years, especially with some of my clients, because I had clients who worked with some other different brands like Shaklee and Melaleuca and stuff like that, and understanding the value and benefits of certain supplements, I've really discovered things that really work for me, and having specific supplements for my specific problems have been really helpful. So like I said, I've already been using probiotics. I knew about collagen and I was trying to try collagen, but I've been lazy and not purchasing it. I'm very excited that I have it now. YouTheory Immune Daily Wellness harnesses the power of medical mushrooms and clinically studied Wellmune to help strengthen the body's immune response. The Daily Wellness formula naturally primes the immune system to prepare and protect the body against daily stressors, and environmental challenges. For best results, use daily to help maintain immune readiness throughout your year. Daily Wellness, this is great, full of zinc. Definitely gonna use it, especially right now, guys. Let's talk about it. I know it's a very triggering word on the platforms I'm posting on, but COVID and the coronavirus, which is the same thing, COVID-19, coronavirus, has really shown us that we need to be taking better care of our bodies. We never know what's going to happen. One of the amazing Greek philosophers that I'm trying to reference but can't remember which one, but food is medicine, food is thy medicine. a lot of the things that we need sometimes are just simply in the things that we put in our mouth. There's a lot of natural supplements that you can derive completely from its original source, or you can have them in concentrated formats in supplements, and supplements are great. They're highly potent, especially when they're all natural, because what I discovered in my research is there is a significant amount of supplements out there that are literally like this much of the stuff that you need and this much of like cardboard, not cardboard realistically, but just like fluff. This is vanilla collagen powder. This is going in my coffee. So this is exciting. Mix 1 rounded scoop with 6 to 8 ounces water, coffee, or fruit juice. So this is natural vanilla flavor. Guys, if you don't know this about me, I love flavored things. I have probably 1 million flavored coffees from Infusio Coffee. I'm thinking you would put a little like collagen vanilla powder in with one of my French toast Infusio coffees. Turmeric. Is it turmeric or turmeric? Turmeric. Turmeric. Turmeric is really great. You can do a lot of different variations with turmeric. I've had like a turmeric latte. I've had turmeric spice and things. But it's really, really great with inflammation. And I think a lot of people, the older we get, like when we're kids, right? We don't think about like high cholesterol. I had high cholesterol as a child, which is hilarious. But you don't really think about high cholesterol, or you don't really worry about diabetes, or you know someone who might have it, but you're not thinking about how it's gonna affect you when you're older. You don't really think about high cholesterol. It's not that sexy in your 20s to be like, so I'm not gonna have that cheese because it gives me high cholesterol. Like, I don't really think about that. It's weird, like an inflammation and arthritis, and guys, like growing up, part of growing up is understanding or trying to understand. I feel like our whole lives are going to be trying to understand how our body works. If this is a machine and I need to make, or if this is a car, to all my fellas out there, if this, and ladies, I'm not insulting you, I just know nothing about cars. To all my peeps out there that love cars, if I'm a luxury machine, what do I need to put in it to make sure that all the gears keep working? What type of oil do I need? Like, do I need unleaded or leaded? Do I need, what kind of gas do I need? I'm using diesel fuel. Like, how are we differentiating and separating the things that we put in our body that makes it operate at the optimal level? Turmeric. You decide how you want to pronounce that. Turmeric provides one of nature's best kept secrets. Why? Curcuminoids. 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 I think that's how we say it. These powerful phytonutrients gives turmeric its golden yellow color and provides wide-ranging health benefits. YouTheory turmeric supplies the most clinically studied turmeric extract on the market, containing 95% total curcuminoids. This formula is enhanced with bioperine, black pepper to boost absorption and bioavailability of curcuminoids. Anyway, I love this. I'm excited to add this to my regimen. Last but not least, one of my favorite supplements. I am so excited this is in here. So I have PCOS, which is really attractive, which is a hormone imbalance, and it also is an insulin-based disease. So one thing for me is that sugar really affects it. It really messes up with my mood sometimes, and I try very much to do everything natural. I have a whole natural supplement that I take for that, as well as making sure that I'm eating the right foods to help keep myself balanced. I noticed that when I was eating a lot of gluten, the gluten was having an adverse reaction to me mentally, which was interesting. Dairy that I was eating was making me very lethargic, and the eggs I was eating was just throwing my whole system off. So it's really been wonderful for me playing touch and go and treating myself like a science experiment, discovering what makes me feel good. And one thing I was really looking into was natural substances to help with stress and anxiety, because I was getting I have anxiety now, which I never had before, but I went through some traumatic stuff the last couple years that really gave me some anxiety, because, you know, life. And I was looking into natural supplements. I know that working out is a huge stress reliever. Working out is a great thing for people with PCOS. It really helps like break everything up and take that however you want to digest that. It really helped me. I know that with Exude Fitness and the program that was specifically designed for me, I was able to have a customized workout for my body type, and in doing so really helped with just my physical makeup, not only aesthetically, which of course, you know, I'm vain, I wanted to look good, but I was developing like cellulite in different places that I wanted to remove, and the best way to do that was to work out for my body type. And also it was helping how my body was working internally, because we don't always think about how working out and physical activity affects us internally versus just externally. Like, yes, I have muscles, but hey, you know what's really cool? I removed all my cellulite naturally. You know, it's also really cool. I now have a lot of energy, and just my life feels more regulated. I will say that. Ashwagandha is a really amazing supplement. It helps, so with clinically supported KSM 66, helps reduce stress, helps maintain normal cortisol levels, boosts mental and physical performance. Ashwagandha, which is Indian ginseng, is nature's antidote to modern stress. This time-tested botanical greatly improves the body's response to physical and mental stressors while boosting stamina, endurance, cognitive health, and overall well-being. This is like a magic thing to me. It's really helped me at times. I find myself a lot more relaxed. This helps me think more clearly. I've really enjoyed taking the supplements. Now that I have collagen, I'm looking forward to think how that's gonna like work with my system. Thank you, YouTheory. Like, this is so amazing of you to have sent these to me. I really appreciate that. These were gifted, so I need to remind everyone these were gifted. One of my favorite things, I would definitely say the ashwagandha. It's in pill form. The powder I have is cool, but it gets messy, and I always forget to put it in. If I don't make something that I'm gonna put it in, I technically forget to use it. So just to be able to take these will be awesome. What else? Oh yeah, definitely this vanilla collagen powder. This is gonna go in my coffee now every morning. I have morning coffee every morning, so I just like, boop. So probiotic, this is awesome. It starts with the gut. The gut is such a powerful indicator of your body's health. Two things would be always taking care of your teeth, because your teeth affect your heart, because everything drips down to your heart, and also taking care of that gut, guys, like really hardcore. Take care of your gut. Your gut is really a lot more important. It cleanses everything. Like, really be aware of that. Definitely look into a probiotic. Top of the list, I highly recommend this. Immune Daily Wellness. A multivitamin is always a great way. It's like the gateway drug to getting into vitamins. Multivitamins are awesome. This is a daily wellness. I'm gonna consider it a multivitamin. It's not, I lied. It's not a multivitamin. This Immune Daily Wellness, especially now. It is October. We are getting into like a cold flu season. We are in the middle of a pandemic. As much things that you could do to help strengthen your body, the better. I am excited. Thank you so much, YouTheory, for this great gift. It's really given me another exciting thing to celebrate for my birthday. So thank you so much. I will put all the information about the company down below, and I'll make sure I tag them everywhere else. And again, this is Jordan Gelber. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, a like, a share. I'll see you guys later, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.